It's time for Project Yellow. Let's take a closer look. Triumph 955i. I think it's like an iPhone, iMotorbike. You know how that works. Anyway, moss. Oh look, moss. There's some more moss growing in it. More moss. Brilliant moss. Pan back a bit. Some dirt. You know, nothing that a bit of a wipe won't cover off. Let's have a look down here. Tiniest bit of rust on the chain. That's fine. Fine. It's all fine. Oh. Yeah, okay. This is fine. At least the paint isn't falling off. Oh. Okay. Well, at least, you know, the engine isn't, you know, deteriorating. Oh. My goodness. I wonder if there's any spiders. Oh, yeah. Okay. What about the fairings? Are they all good? Oh. What about the front forks? I wonder what they look like. Nice. Brakes look good. Okay, yeah. What about the wheels? Beautiful. What about up under there? Oh, that looks good in there. Ooh, beautiful. What about the switch gear? What does that look like? Yeah, nothing a little bit of, you know. Oh, look, more spiders. Okay. What about underneath the tank? Spiders. Nice. First job. Let's BDX the shit out of it. I'm just going to cover this in BDX and then let it soak. Come back in a minute. Might need a new fork seal. I can tell that because of the way that it is. BDX works where others fail. So the trick to do is just to, you know, put a bit on the old nuts. And I've covered the bike in BDX, as you can see. Just covered in it. Covered the bike in BDX. I can have some of that. Get it on there. Have some. Get some. BDX. There. I'll leave that 3 seconds and it'll all just undo nicely.